Hello, so it's the news none of us wanted to hear, but driving lessons and driving tests have now been officially suspended by the DVSA. I've just got its email and I'll link to it in the description below. Sorry if I'm a bit tired, it might look a bit haggard. I've just been on a driving lesson that turned out to be about 5 hours long. Why? That'll be coming soon in my next video, but God, what a day it's been, what a 24 hours it's been. I've had loads of stuff going on, but let's get on with this. So it says, updates on lockdown measures in England. Following the announcement on Saturday the 31st of October 2020 around further lockdown measures being introduced in England, we are working closely with the government to agree the impact these will have on DVSA services. All driver and rider training and tests will be suspended in England from 5th of November until 2nd of December 2020. We will be contacting affected test candidates soon. We'll keep you updated on the situation and provide further guidance when we're able to do so. So driving tests are suspended from driving lessons and tests are suspended from the 5th of November. So you won't be allowed by law to do lessons and tests from the 5th of November till the 2nd of December. This is breaking news, just happened moments ago. Like I said, I've had a real 24 hours. Wait till you see what's been going on. One of you watching this will know what's been going on. Two of you watching this will know what's been going on. But yeah, things are crazy at the moment. So tests are off. I know people will have lots of questions. Please leave them in the comments below and I'll get back to you. I've got a million things to do in the next hour, but I will be back with more videos soon. So make sure you subscribe to this channel for the latest news and updates. Hope you're all keeping yourself safe and well. Check out the videos on the screen now. And as always, I'll see you again soon for more videos.